In this video, we will understand how in the CRM you can now mask the customer's mobile number and only display the last four digits for pilferage control. As you can see here, the complete number is visible in all the reports. Even when you download the Excel, you will be able to see the complete number. Now, in order to switch off this option, let's go to the super admin and in users and permissions, reach to the extra permission, pilferage control, and switch off display customer mobile number for user access. Once you update this permission for your employees or for yourself, you will be able to see the masked number. Now let's refresh and check here. As you can see, the number has been masked for all the customers. You will be only able to see the last four digits of the customer. You can even export the data to Excel and see that there'll be only four digits visible at the end. As you can see here, the number has been masked